kind of coming into summer here, it gets very warm here. A lot of homeowners ask about what's the best thing I should do for my windows and what's the best technology I should use against heat. The reality is if you have an older home, 30, 40 years old, any window is gonna make a significant impact, okay? We like, generally speaking, fiberglass technology because it's a better technology that's gonna last much longer and heat doesn't affect it as much. And so a huge problem if you put vinyl windows on your house and you start to get 110 to 120 degree temperatures with like humidity and then all the different heat waves, you can actually see the vinyl windows start to melt. And so it's rare, it's not something you see every single day, but like you're still spending a lot of money and it can happen. So we're huge believers in fiberglass technology all the time. We like Marvin Windows, so we recommend a lot of low E3 upgrades, and that's an upgrade technology to help against sun defense. Pella has one too, a lot of different window manufacturers do, and so there's different things you could do within the glass to help it resist UV rays and help reflect UV rays. But any new window you put in your house is gonna be a significant upgrade against heat. The bigger thing is you really gotta think about like what's the best technology you wanna put in your car, house, right? So like if you're buying a car, you wouldn't just say, hey, like what paint holds up best against other cars and heat. You'd care about how's the car run better and what's better technology and what's the warranty and how long is it gonna last. And overwhelmingly, we come back to fiberglass is a better technology. We think it's gonna perform better in all weather, all temperature over 30, 40 years than like a vinyl siding or a vinyl window will.